In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WorkDrive TrueSync on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to install the app on Windows, understand how the virtual drive works, and confidently sync and work with your files without filling up your hard drive. First, let's get TrueSync installed. On a Windows 10 or 11 computer, download the TrueSync app from the official WorkDrive site. Run the installer, and if Windows asks for administrator permission, allow it so the setup can proceed. When the installation finishes, a login window will appear. Sign in with your Zoho WorkDrive account to connect your desktop to your cloud files. The setup wizard will guide you through a quick start. Click Start Sync to finish. TrueSync will then mount a virtual drive on your computer, often labeled Z. You'll see your WorkDrive files and team folders there almost immediately. The first index may take a moment, but there's no big download because files are online by default, which helps save disk space. Here's how that virtual drive works. Think of it like OneDrive or Google Drive, but optimized to keep your storage usage low. All your files and folders are visible in File Explorer, even though they remain in the cloud. When a file is marked online only, it looks like a regular file, but doesn't use space until you open it. You can still browse and search everything without downloading. When you need something for travel or unreliable internet, mark it Available Offline. That downloads the item so it stays on your device and opens instantly without a connection. Switching between online only and offline is simple. Open your TrueSync drive in File Explorer on Windows. Right-click the file or folder you want to change. From the TrueSync options, choose Available Offline to download it, or switch it back to online only to free up space. You can toggle this at any time, and it's a good habit to make only your active projects available offline to keep storage under control. Now, let's sync files and folders. To upload from your computer to WorkDrive, just drag and drop them into the TrueSync drive. They'll upload automatically to the cloud. Any edits, renames, or moves you make inside the TrueSync drive sync back to WorkDrive online as soon as you're connected to the internet. And when you need to find something fast, use Windows Search inside the TrueSync drive. You can locate files quickly without waiting for full downloads. That's it. Install, understand your virtual drive, and start syncing efficiently with TrueSync.